Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November. But really quickly, I want to give you guys some updates and some cool things that I wanted to let you know. So the first thing is, I actually made this DIY makeup cup holder or cup holder, or you know what I mean, brush holder. Yeah, super easy, super cheap. I did 3 sets. So I did eyes, like blush and highlight brushes, and face brushes. Super fun, super easy. I honestly have been wanting to do something like this for a while. I just never, sat down and did it. So everything you see here is from the Dollar Tree. Oh, I just dropped one. But yeah, I actually used really cute diamonds, fake diamonds obviously. So I got 3 packs of diamonds and 3 vases. I decided to get square. I like square better. So yeah. Oh, I dropped one. I'll pick that up later. So I only paid $6 and plus tax in total for this DIY right there, and I love it so much. It's so easy and so awesome. So I wanted to put that out there and let you guys know it's super easy. If you want a tutorial, I can do that for you. Just let me know down below. And something I wanted to mention, I'm actually wearing these on my hair right now. I noticed that a lot of girls are wearing these, or they're coming back, so I'm doing it too. So I got these. It's a set of 10, that's what they're called, barrettes. I don't really call it that, clips. But you get a 10 pack for only $1 at Dollar Tree. So just keep that in mind as well. The lipstick I'm currently wearing right now is from my Boxycharm. It's super dirty, I apologize. It's kind of a weird name. It's the Longwear Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Sweetheart 17, and this is from Beauty Creations, the Hush website, the Hush app. This is where you can get it. I got mine in the Boxycharm. I think it was $5 or $10. I can't be sure. It's long lasting and it's beautiful. Like, isn't it? It's beautiful. I love it. I'm more like a nudes, and I don't know. What would you say, nudes? Let me show you. Oh well, I'm sorry, I can't find it. But like, this is kind of different. This is my Kylie, and I have my Dual Decay, kind of nudes and neutrals and kind of brown tones. So this one's kind of out there, kind of outside of my comfort zone, but lately I've been wearing it and I really love it. So there's that. Another thing is that I'm doing my makeup more natural, meaning no eyeshadow, just mascara, and I really like this look. Super easy, saves time, and yeah, I like it. I just like this look. It's so, I don't know, I don't know, that was weird. But basically, I just like it. It's more natural glam. That's what I like to call it, natural glam. And you can always use a darker lip or more vibrant lip. So there's that. That's what I've been doing recently. What else is there? Oh yeah, I am still sick. I went to the doctor today and got some medicine. So what he said, which doesn't make, it makes sense, but then it doesn't. Because he says that because of the fires and the bad environment and the bad air quality, I do have asthma, but I never have asthma attacks. I never really use my inhaler, but I do have asthma. He says that I'm having kind of allergic coughing or allergic cough, or my allergies are making me cough and making me whatever. Yeah, I know it doesn't make much sense, but there's that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All the updates I have for you guys. Make sure you guys check out your Dollar Tree because there's a lot of Christmas stuff. And it's super cute and super cheap. I actually have 2 bags full of Christmas stuff. I'm waiting patiently to put up and start decorating because it's too early, supposedly. Do you think it's too early? Comment down below. Is it too early to put your decorations up, Christmas decorations? When is the right time? Please let me know. Thank you. Okay, now that that's all out of the way, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So let's see. I actually did open it. I'm using one product from the box. It's the Cover FX Drops. Can you tell? It looks like a unicorn, but a pretty unicorn. Okay, so first things first, we open it, and then we have the pamphlet. So, oh, and if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You pay $21 and you get 5 products, 5 full-size products, sometimes 6. And yeah, you only pay $21 including shipping, and I really love it. You get name brands, pretty good brands. This November's box equals more than $110. That's what the products inside equal that much. So I have the variation number 3. Oops, if you guys can see that, the little corner right here, it's a number 3. So that's my box. And this month's theme is Gold Digger. This is the theme of this month. So let's see. So it, yeah, I didn't really say about anything about it, but okay. So let's go based off the list of here. So I'm gonna move that over there. Okay. So the first thing it says is the first thing on the list is the Cover FX glitter drops in Nova. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact. True that, I'm wearing it right now. Reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, I did under makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. So this retails for $44. $44, so just think about that. You can get 2 of these boxes for this, the same price, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. And I believe, don't quote me, I'm pretty sure that this shade right here was limited edition and only sold to Boxycharm, or only for Boxycharm. So here it is right here. It's beautiful, you guys. Do you see this? Do you see how much it sparkles? I love this. So here, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it for you. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and it has a dropper. So let's just put some in the back of my hand. Okay. And the shade is Nova. You guys can see that. That's beautiful, you guys. Do you guys see that? Wow. I love this. That's beautiful. So let me just go ahead and clean that off real quick. I'm just gonna put that there. So this retails for $44. I know they have other shades at Sephora or Cover FX website. I'm not sure about this specific shade, but I will, and it's still some left over actually. So there's that. Something to keep in mind is that this does transfer. Again, I put this under my foundation maybe about, I want to say 5-6 hours ago, and it's actually coming through the foundation to the top layer. As you guys can see, it's more of a glitter. And I was hugging my boyfriend, and I've been around people, and it transfers. Like, they have glitter on their face too, so just keep that in mind. But it's beautiful. I love it. So yeah. So again, this is the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. Okay, and that goes for $44. So the next thing on the list is the Ace Beauty Grandoise palette, featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new Grandoise, I'm sorry, I can't say that right, palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and nasal blending. This retails for $24.99. I love that it comes packaged like this, or, you know, in safety bubble wrap. I mean, do you guys ever just want to... Okay, never mind, doesn't want to work. So it does come, this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute, super fancy. I love how it goes with the Gold Digger. Yes, Gold Digger. I love how it, you know, it all blends together. So you easily just push it to the side and pull it out. This is the palette right here. So again, 4 mattes, 4 shimmers, and it has a little protective sheet. And this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches for you. I'm gonna do it, let's see, I don't know where I'm gonna do it because it's gonna be, I'm gonna do this pink shade, and then this red one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna do that on my back of my hand. Wow, you guys, look at this. Wow. Dang, that's like really good. But you can see a little bit of like clumpiness, like, you know, in the pink one it's kind of like chalky, if you guys, that's the right thing to say. But other than that, it's beautiful. What do I do with that white? There it is. Oh, excuse me, but wow, this color is beautiful. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the palette one more time. So this is what it looks like, and this retails for $24.99. Okay. I love this. The only thing I'm worried about is the pink shadow staining my eyelid. Other than that, I have no problem with it. Okay. Let me just put that on the side. I'm gonna put these on the side. Okay, the next thing we have is going to be the Luxy Luminous Eye Set. Here it is right here. Okay. Add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. Okay, wow, so this is only for Boxycharm. That's awesome. These Lux Luminous Eye Set, I'm sorry guys. The Luxy Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. The Luxy 141 mini round brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line, while the Luxy 121 mini tapered lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The Luxy 111 mini flat angled brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid. And the Luxy 131 mini angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color onto your crease. Wow, that's a lot of words. I do apologize if I just said that funny. So this retails for $21. So the numbers are, let's go ahead and open it and see where the numbers are. But this is what it looks like. I love them. They're so sparkly. Okay, if I can get it open. Okay guys, here they are right here. These are the brushes. I always drop something in every video. Okay, so here are the brushes right here. They are super beautiful. Do you guys see how much they sparkle? They do seem, let me see. They are soft, but densely packed. Like, you know, it's not too soft. They do seem a little not tiny, a little miniature size, kind of like the brush head. Seem a little bit smaller than normal, but I don't mind, you know, for more precision, I would say. And the numbers are where, okay, I see it. The numbers are very small actually, but you can see what it says right there. Hopefully you guys can see what it says. But yeah, this one is a Luxy 411. Oh my god, you guys, I'm sorry. 141. This is the Luxy 141 mini round. Then we have the Luxy 121 mini tapered. So yeah, kind of like goes in that direction, like that way. Then we have the Luxy mini angled. I mean, it is angled, yeah, but it also has, you know, it's kind of flat. So I like that. And then this one is the mini flat angled. I mean, that looks pretty round to me, so I don't know why. Maybe the top is flat, but it also has an angle to it. I'm not sure. Well, anyway, so this retails for, let me be sure, for, I want to say 21? 21, yeah. So for the price of this box, you get these brushes. Do you get what I'm saying? That they have either buy the brushes or buy the box. You know what I mean? It's the same price. I can't believe that. So there's this. Let me just put them back in here. Okay. Okay, and the next thing we have is the Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Personally, I have one brush from Jante Blue. I also got it in my Boxycharm. It's the eyeliner pencil. It's a brown. I love it because I had no brown eyeliner before that, and I use it quite often. So, sparkle up your glam with Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. And this retails for $5. Okay, let me open this and I'll be right back. So I opened it, and this is what it looks like. Super cute. And gold cap. Super sharp, wow. Can you guys see the glitter specks in it? It's pretty cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll do it right here. Yeah, it's really good. Oh my gosh, wow. Wow, and I was not even, you know, hardly, you know, barely tapping it. So that's what it looks like. I'm pretty sad that happened. I'm like, can I fix it? No. Ugh, oh well. But yeah, so this retails for $5, and it does have glitter to it, so that's cool. Kind of matches the cover effects. So the last but not least we have is the Lashaholic Lashes Instagram False Eyelashes, which looks like this. super cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I read this wrong. It's the Lashaholic Lashes Instaglam false eyelashes. I thought it said Instagram. It says Instaglam right there. So yeah, I love this. I kind of just want to use this to decorate my vanity or something, you know. So these are this says elevate your eyelash. I'm sorry, elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These lashes are 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers. Give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. And this retails for $14.99. Okay. So again, the beautiful packaging, and the name is Instagram. And this is what they look like. Super cute. I mean, personally, I don't wear eyelashes. Most of you are probably wondering why I don't wear eyelashes. Honestly, the times that I've tried using them, it doesn't work for me. They're either don't stick on or are too difficult for me to wear, or you know, I really do need to learn how to do it, or you know, properly put them on or wear them. But I would love to wear them. Everyone who wears them looks beautiful, and it's just like, and now I have a chance to, you know, try them. But these are too beautiful to, you know, for a first time. I don't want to try them and ruin them, so I'll probably go with something cheaper. But these are, yeah, these are from Lashaholic. So yeah, this is all these month's products from Boxycharm. And like I said previously, this box retails for $110. So that's pretty expensive, you know? Only $21 and you get $110 worth of products. That's pretty good. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy you guys were here. I'm happy you can make it. Please leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next, or what you like from the box, or was your box the same as mine, or any comments you'd like to leave below. I would love to see them. And if you guys could please give me this please give me a big like or thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. And if you are new here, please click that red subscribe button. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. Please click that red subscribe button. Oh. Okay, please click that red subscribe button down below. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.